has my Alfa Romeo 4C been? That's the question I've been seeing quite regularly actually in the comment section. Well guys, it is still here, do not worry. And for those of you who follow me on Instagram will know, because I post regular stories and regular pictures of it. But yeah, welcome back to Stef ABtv, guys. If you are new to this channel, this is the first video you're watching and you enjoy content on, well, this car obviously, press launches, reviews, vlogs, please make sure to subscribe. It's something that I'm still really trying to work hard on me to promote myself a little bit more at the start of my videos. We are closing in on the 25,000 subscribers. It's so close now. And yeah, if you watch my videos and you don't have the subscribe button clicked, then please click subscribe below and hit the notifications bell so you do not miss any videos that I do post. So, my 4C. I can report that I still absolutely love this car. Absolutely love it. But I haven't driven it that much. And there's a reason for that, I guess, and I'm going to touch on everything very shortly. But I always did say that when I was going to buy the 4C, provided that I didn't daily it. And there's two reasons for that. I think the first one, that low-down torque. I love that low-down torque on this car, by the way. The first reason is that, well, it's not practical, is it? Let's be honest, it's not practical. And if you think for the car I used to have prior to this was the A45, which I used for absolutely everything. The 4C isn't the most practical car in the world, but I didn't buy it for practicality. I bought it for emotion because it's just an event each time you drive it. And an event it is. With this car, the noises alone are enough to just put the most incredible smile on your face. And it's just, I love this thing. What a car. So, I go back to my earlier point. The reason I've not really driven this that much. Traction light kicked in for flipping ages. Oops. Yeah, I haven't driven that much for a number of reasons. The first one, of course, is that, I've had a number of press cars, which I've been filming, which you guys have all seen on the channel. And again, if you're not subscribed, there's loads of videos for you to watch. So I haven't really, had the need to drive this, which is okay, because it means that I keep the mileage down. I enjoy it more each time I do drive it. But also we've had things like Goodwood. Goodwood has cropped up, and that was the last time. I think I've driven this car maybe 3 times in the last month. And I know you're thinking, what? Why have you even bought it? But hear me out. Now, Goodwood just was an insane time. I mean, I have to touch on that. And this video as well is a little bit of an update for all of my subscribers, because I'm very conscious the last wave of videos, if you like, have all kind of been reviews, new car launch, that kind of stuff. We haven't really had a chat, so we're having a chat today. Goodwood for me, guys, was incredible. It was absolutely incredible. It was definitely my best ever Goodwood, and some of the opportunities that arose from at Festival of Speed were on another level. I mean, we all remember the M8 competition that I went in with Paul O'Neill, almost forgot his name, and the way we'd burnt that thing off the line was incredible. I drove the Alfa Romeo Giulio Quadrifoglio up the hill run, which was so special for me. Massive thanks to Alfa for that. I'm just so grateful. And then Ferrari UK put me in the passenger seat of the 812 Superfast. I mean, what the hell? Genuinely, what the hell? The noises from that engine, guys. If you haven't ever driven a 4C, you need to drive one. You need to experience it. And I know it's quite hard because, well, there's only 20 of them in the country for sale on Auto Trader. You could ask to borrow mine, but I'd probably say no. but genuinely the 4C is just insane. And I drove the 4C down to Goodwood, which was the first time that I've driven this around those insane Goodwood country roads. And we all know that the roads around Goodwood are special. Now, other stuff. Now, I need to touch on something. It's something that I feel I want to talk to you guys about. Some of you might not even notice the difference, but I have the videos that I've been producing. You guys probably would have realised and noticed there's been a lot less cinematic stuff, and the reason there's been a lot less cinematic stuff is because life is very, very busy, and I'm not talking about YouTube. For those who think that I do YouTube full time, unfortunately you're mistaken. I have a full-time job which at the moment is really, really consuming me. It's so busy at the moment with so much going on that yeah, my stress levels are really high because I'm trying to juggle many plates. And it's only a matter of time before all of those plates fall and shatter on the floor. So I'm trying to give myself a little bit of, what's the right way to say it? A little bit of headspace, a little bit of headroom, if you like. So the cinematic edits take so long, so I pulled those for now. And actually the irony behind it is I've pulled the cinematic edits and I've had stupid views on all of my videos. So that tells you something. Maybe it's not all about the cinematics, but I will keep them for special occasions. But yeah, the other thing, which again, subscribers will know, house moves. What's going on with my house moves? So we're getting very, very close. And again, couple YouTube, work and house move, very stressful. So me and the missus are working hard just to try to get this over the line, going back and forth to solicitors, which is always fun. And then of course, wedding. Yeah, too much going on this year. Which isn't a bad thing. I always like to have things going on, but it's just the timing of everything is slightly more challenging. But I just wanted to say a massive thank you, because you guys have stuck through this channel for a while and we are so close to 25,000 subscribers, and I can't wait. I've waited for, it's nearly 2.5 years, over 2.5 years now. The 4C is just incredible, man. It's incredible. I love it. Sometimes words are really hard to explain. I mean, you know, yes, the 4C, there's not much to it, but it's so special. And when I can get it out on a bit of a hoon like I am now, it puts such a smile on my face, and I'm so glad that I bought it. Oh man, what a car. What a car. So what else? You know, you haven't seen this car on the channel for a while, so I guess you're thinking, oh cool, so you probably started thinking about mods, right? Well, like I said earlier, at the moment I'm in that phase, guys. Like, I'm struggling. I want to do a few bits and bobs to this car. I've been wanting to get a personal bloody number plate for so long, but money at the moment is so tight. And for those of you who know about buying houses or bought houses in the past, you'll know that the point where you are so close to exchanging and completion, which basically is the point where you sign your contracts and then you get your keys, every penny counts. Every penny. So for me to go and spend a bit of money on modifications it's not the right thing to do, and I just need to hold off a little bit more. The other thing, Roadster. If you don't follow me on Roadster, you need to follow me on Roadster, because a lot of the things that you guys say with regards to Stef, what meets are you going to, how do I find out about the meets, how can I meet you? Well, on Roadster you can. And what I end up doing on Roadster is every now and again I do a meet and a drive. So it's an opportunity for you guys to meet me and people, for example, within the Roadster community who just fancy a drive to a location. You can all do that. So yeah, there's a link in the description below to my Roadster, or you can just download the app and search for Stef ABtv. But yeah, link in the description below if you want to sign up. But yeah, I think that was, this has been, and I know that there's probably not as much info as you want on the 4C at the moment. I wanted to take the opportunity to just have a conversation with you guys because we haven't done it for so long. And also welcome all of the new subscribers to the channel, because we've grown up pretty quick over the last couple of months, which is fantastic, and I really hope it continues. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you all very soon on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.